Hey guys, it's Donna. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my iced matcha latte. So I'm a huge fan of matcha. I mean, matcha is just so amazing. So I'm sure you guys have heard of matcha before. I mean, it's a very popular drink and it is so delicious. So matcha does have a lot of benefits. You can drink it iced like I did, and there's times that I drink it warm in the morning, but when the day is nice and beautiful, I like to do ice. I personally love my matcha with almond milk, and I love it with vanilla almond milk because it adds a nice sweet taste to it. So matcha is a fine powder made from green tea, and it has so many benefits. It detoxifies naturally, it has a lot of antioxidants, it boosts metabolisms and burns calories, lowers cholesterol and blood sugar. Don't get me wrong, I love coffee and I love the flavor and smell of coffee, but I feel like sometimes coffee makes me feel nauseous. I don't know if it's the type of coffee that I'm drinking, but sometimes when I try like certain coffees I feel jittery, and sometimes I just feel nauseous, and it's kind of weird. Once I started drinking matcha, I just feel like it just slowly wakes me up and it gets me in a really good mood. So every single morning when I wake up, I just think matcha, and it just makes me so much happier knowing that I'm gonna drink this delicious drink. It's not only delicious, but it's also good for your body, and it also helps you feel good. So I feel like, I mean, it's a win-win. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I do to make my iced matcha. I'll put more information in the description bar down below, so make sure to go check that out for more information, and let's get started. The matcha that I'm using is by the Matcha Reserve, and I got the plain flavor. They do have other flavors, and they were kind enough to send me a coupon code for you guys to save 15%. I got this cute bamboo whisk and spoon from Amazon. I'm going to link it down below for you guys. It's very inexpensive. And I do have my cup with ice. So I'm going to open up my matcha, and I like to take a spoonful. Sometimes I like to do a spoon and a half, totally up to you. And I do have my boiling hot water, and I'm just going to pour it in and start whisking it. And you want to whisk it really good, that way you don't have any chunks. And I like to do it in W or M motion just to get everything and mix everything good. Next, I'm going to take my almond milk and I'm going to place it into my ice cup. Then I'm just going to pour the matcha and stir it. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar because I don't have any vanilla almond milk, and if I did, I wouldn't be adding sugar, but this just adds a little sweet kick to it. And you want to keep mixing it so everything is nice and blended together, and just enjoy. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and like this video if you like this video. Guys, I love matcha. Comment down below, let me know how you guys make your matcha at home, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.